I stopped using P2P to cash out my USDT, and today I want to show you what I started using instead. First, let me make one thing clear, Sep. I don't think P2P is a bad option. Millions of people use it, and in most cases, everything goes smoothly. But personally, I ran into the same issue again, and that's when I decided to look for an alternative. Recently, I was selling USDT through P2P. The transaction was almost complete when the buyer opened a dispute, and around $3,000 of my funds were frozen for 72 hours. Situations like this can happen on P2P platforms, especially when a transaction gets flagged for additional verification. After that, I decided to look into other ways to cash out my crypto. For me, there were three main requirements. First, I wanted to know exactly how much I would receive after all fees. Second, I didn't want the whole process to depend on some random buyer. And third, I wanted to be able to send the money directly to my regular bank account. I tested a few different options and eventually decided to give KingX a try. Of course, before doing that, I checked the reviews, looked into how long the service had been around, and only then decided to test it myself. So instead of just talking about it, let's go through the whole process from start to finish. Right now, my USDT is stored on Binance, so I'll use Binance as an example and show you exactly how I do it. So I'm on Binance, I go to Assets, then Send, and click Withdraw Asset. I'm going to withdraw USDT. Now let's move on to the actual exchange. On the website, I enter the amount. In my case, I want to cash out 740 USDT. The service immediately shows me the final amount I'll receive after all fees. Of course, the final rate may vary slightly depending on your country, your bank, and the withdrawal method you choose, so always double check the final amount before confirming the transaction. What I like about this is that I can see exactly how much I'm going to receive before I even start the exchange. Next, I select my country, choose USDT, and select the currency I want to receive. I'll be withdrawing to my Bank of America account. I enter my email address, check the box, and enter my bank account details. Then I click Exchange Now. Now we can track our request. If we scroll down, we can see the payment details. We can either use the QR code or the wallet address. Personally, I find it easier to just copy the address. Now let's go back to Binance. I paste the address here, then I select the network I need, and I enter the amount. It's always a good idea to double check the amount against what we entered on the exchange website. Everything looks good, so I click Withdraw. I'll confirm everything now, and then we'll continue. The USDT has been sent. Now let's go back to the website and keep an eye on our transaction. I'll leave this running without any cuts so you can see the whole process. From my side, the exchange is now completely done. All that's left is to wait for the money to arrive in my bank account. Once it arrives, we'll continue. The money has arrived. I'm logging into my bank account and checking the balance, and as you can see, $736.30 has been received. I haven't completely stopped using P2P. In some situations, it's still a convenient option, but if I simply want to cash out crypto directly to my bank account without having to search for a buyer or deal with disputes, this is the option I'm currently using. If you decide to use a service like this, always do your own research. Check the reviews, the fees, and the final amount you'll receive before confirming any transaction. I'll leave the link to the service in the description or in the comments.